May Pabengi, Pampanga, magandang gabi Central Luzon. Ako po yung kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Salenga. Areni na rin mga ragula balita ang yaning Biyernes, November 17, 2023. Mas maigpit na security check, dapat da kanung patupad, kareng bus terminals. PNP, balak dang maglage bus marshals, kareng transport hubs. DOH Central Luzon, migpanakana king publiku tungkol king ustung pamaninum antimicrobial drugs. 6th CARP Regional Trade Fair, makabuklat na para kareng bisang mag-early Christmas shopping. US companies malyari nang mag-invest king nuclear projects ning bangsa, pauli na ning 1-2-3 agreement. At Environmental Summit for Schools, nasa ng amuyutan, deng kayanakang Fernandino, a protektan ing kalikasan. Pirmado na ng Energy Secretary Rafael Lotilla at United States Secretary of State Anthony Blinken ing inausdang 1-2-3 agreement on nuclear cooperation ning USA king Pilipinas. Malyari ni king Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC Summit king Amerika. Ang pangkang President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., posible lang mag-invest tampong mag-participate king nuclear projects king bangsa reng US companies base king agreement. At tatandaanan medong ini kareng pisasabihan rang isubong deng adwang bangsa king pamagbisita ng US Vice President Kamala Harris Ketty anyang November 2022. Sinabi na ring PBBM kareng kayang milama sa sona na solusyon niya kano king energy crisis king Pilipinas ing nuclear power anya susulong ng mibuklat ya ing pisasabihan dikil king Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. Mitalakad anya pang panahon ng tatang na ay dating President Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
See nuclear energy becoming a part of the Philippine energy mix by 2032. And we would be more than happy to pursue this path with the United States as one of our partners. The signing of the Philippine-United States Agreement for Cooperation concerning peaceful uses of nuclear energy, or the 1-2-3 Agreement, is the first major step in this regard, taking our cooperation on capacity building further and actually opening the doors for U.S. companies to invest and participate in nuclear power projects in the country. I know our companies are eager to advance discussions on potential projects. Just yesterday, the MOU between Meralco and Ultrasafe Nuclear Corporation was also presented to me. So I believe congratulations are in order for the work of our respective negotiating teams, especially to the teams from the United States. As I have only just been informed that this is the fastest 1-2-3 agreement that the United States has come to, and for that we are very grateful.
Special mention niya kang US President Joe Biden ing Pilipinas king mumunikalang miragdagan na ring clean energy sources king teguna ng Second Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity meeting Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. king California, USA, kaya bering aliwapang world leader. Pisabihan ing amon king energy development source karing Asian countries at imo ang Pilipinas, mikakaprograma na kano king clean energy source, kalupa dareng windmills at solar farms. Ang mga Biden, maulaga kanong pisasabihan nini bang kaugne na ning amon ning climate change. Penabili na namang Biden kailangan ing masikana anti-corruption program bang balawas lang lungob deng investors king Asia.
Heard discussions today about how there's many opportunities and ideas that have, but being able to attract private sector investment and government investment is hard for many of these countries that have great ideas and great opportunities. Well, the solar investments in the Philippines is an example. Offshore wind in Thailand and Indonesia, joint investments between the United States and India on energy storage, and so much more. Third, We concluded an agreement to combat corruption and improve tax administration to make sure that our trade and investment is clean and transparent and private companies don't have any worry about their investments being used properly. And that's exactly what we've done. Every business leader I've talked to, and my colleagues have, they're more likely to invest in a region if there's less corruption, more transparency, and that's exactly what this agreement does and would show them.
Bidaw ne ing bilateral meeting pilatan dari US President Joe Biden at Chinese President Xi Jinping kasabihan ning ongoing APEC Summit king California, USA. Agbang kang Biden maulagang misabi lang nga duwang Xi banga iwasan ing miscommunication ang malyaring magresulta king gulo. Positibo naman ing Chinese leader ang managumpeya ing bilateral relationship dareng aduwang bangsa. Ayning report.
We have to make sure that there is no conflict and manage it professionally. Ining metong karemeging bungad ng United States President Joe Biden kang Chinese leader Xi Jinping kay merapat a bilateral meeting Webes November 16. At chuya king Amerika ay Xi para king Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation o APEC Summit 2023 ang may gumpisa niya November 15 at mayari ngening November 17. Bistama nila kano pa na yung mikasundo, inawad na pamuring Biden kang Xi, pamisopan lakwas pache parehas da kanong interes ing pisabyan.
Because I think it's paramount that you and I understand each other clearly, leader to leader, with no misconceptions or miscommunication. We have to ensure that competition does not veer into conflict. And we also have to manage it responsibly, that competition. That's what the United States wants and what we intend to do. I also believe it's a world wants for both of us, candid exchange. We also have a responsibility to our people and the work in the world to work together when we see it in our interest to do so. And a critical global challenges we face, from climate change to counter-narcotics to artificial intelligence, demand our joint efforts.
Samantala, sinabi na namang Xi Jinping na dakalamig bayo manibatan niyang taulilang mikit Biden king G20 Summit king Indonesia anyang milabas sa banwa. Dapat man walaya kano yung Chinese leader na eya solusyon ing major competition lakwas na't maragul neman ning yato bang parehas lang managumpering karelang bansa. Positibo yarin kano yung Xi king promising future na ning bilateral relationship na ning China ampong Amerika.
For two large countries like China and the United States, turning their back on each other is not an option. It is unrealistic for one side to remodel the other, and conflict and confrontation has unbearable consequences for both sides. I'm still of the view that major country competition is not the prevailing trend of current times and cannot solve the problems facing China and the United States or the world at large. Planet Earth is big enough for the two countries to succeed, and one country's success is an opportunity for the other. It is an objective fact that China and the United States are different in history, culture, social system, and development path. However, as long as they respect each other, coexist in peace, and pursue win-win cooperation, they will be fully capable of rising above differences and find the right way for the two major countries to get along with each other. I firmly believe in the promising future of the bilateral relationship.
Base naman king report na ning Reuters sa may publish nga ning November 17, inawas na kanong Joe Biden na diktador Xi Jinping king meto nga press conference 4 oras kayari na ning karelang bilateral meeting. Agpang keng US President, diktador yay Xi uling yung pamuntok na ning meto nga komunistang bangsa at gobyerno aaliwang-aliwa ka nung nanong atin yung Amerika. Binwelta naman ni Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning at sinabing irresponsable yung meging pasyag ng Biden. Samantala, at tatanda ng sinabi ng Biden kay meto nga presko na niya mumilabas sa bulan at depensa na ng US in Pilipinas oras nating manatake karang kaya katamong military personnel ang pong assets. Pendikdik ng Biden ng karelang pamamaya depensa king Pilipinas kay bat ng sinabal ng Chinese Coast Guard vessel ing barko na ng Philippine Coast Guard at ing karelang resupply boat kabumida daw ning rotation and resupply ken BRP Sierra Madre. Kaya bay JM De Jesus, ako po yung kakayong Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, at Timpusong Makabalen.
Magbalik yung Balen at Balita. Makatuto kayo pa rin kay Balen at Balita. Kabalen, mantun kayo pong pisalwanan yung panregalo para kayong holiday season. Wata po bisa kayong mamasyal king 6th CARP Regional Trade Fair na ning DTI ang makabuklat king Marquee Mall, Angeles City, manibatin niyang November 16, ang gane po king November 19. Sinipantala na yung produktong malyari tang asali, king report ng Liana Canilaw.
Para kareng kaya katamong kabalen amenikwa na kareng karelang bonus at bisa ng manyaling panregalo nganing holiday season. Malyari na mag-early Christmas shopping kareng 107 micro, small and medium enterprises, agrarian reform beneficiary organizations, iba't kareng 7 probinsyana ning Central Luzon. Maka-display lang ng karelang produkto king 6 Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program o CARP Trade Fair apa ni muna na ni Department of Trade and Industry Region 3.
So in this trade fair, we are promoting the products of our farmer entrepreneurs, mostly in the agrarian reform communities. Yung CARP program natin, it caters to our agrarian reform community. So tangkilikin po natin at ipagmalaki ang ating sariling atin. And of course, buy local but think global.
Makabuklat na ring booth na ring participants iba't Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac at Zambales, king event center na ning Marquee Mall, Angeles City. Agpang kareng exhibitor, maragulyang sauping at ikanining pamikatagon bang makilala in karelang produkto. Magiya namang venue ini, barong akilala ring aliwapang MSMEs, aapanikwanan dang ideya.
Dagdagan po yung sales namin, natatakil po namin yung outside the province namin, bukod sa Zambales, Central Luzon, and then Manila, to Cebu, nakarating na rin po yung product namin. Ibig sabihin, lumalapak na po yung market namin, nakikilala na po yung product namin.
Labeling at saka packaging, 'di ba? Nagkakakuan kami sa mga pricing, oo. Tsaka maganda naman yung aming maganda yung aming kuan sa isa't isa. Lalo na po innovation na i-improve namin yung mga product namin. Na hindi lang siya ganon kung hindi na-i-improve pa.
Kaya ba kareng malyaring saluan king 4-day trade fair ding agricultural products, processed food, handcrafts, woodcraft, gifts and holiday decors sa taliwa po.
Tulungan po natin na mag-grow yung ating mga farmer entrepreneurs at ma-mainstream sila na maging exporters in the near future. Alam naman natin na sila yung backbone ng ating ekonomiya and they can generate employment and sales in the countryside.
Samantala, bukod king saop kareng MSMEs, maragulya naman impact king turismo yung sabing trade fair. Agpang kang Department of Tourism Region 3 Director Richard Dinos.
Mapatang isipan may salitang turismo, iyang milala ko itang nanong dalami pauli. Ne? So maragulang bagay ing makanining activity na ning DTI in partnership with other government agencies kasi papakita mo Kenny nung nanong agawata mo, nung nanong showcase ta mo, ne?
Agkatana naman ng DTI din kabalen at taga-aliwapang lugal, ang masyal king 6 CARP Regional Trade Fair ang makabuklat hanggang Domingo, November 19.
Do your early shopping for your Christmas gifts. Mura po ang ating mga produkto at syempre pag bumili ka ng produkto, you can help our agrarian reform beneficiaries to generate more workers.
Ako, Inke Kang Talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalen.
Biyayalawang estudyante at talaturo reng tinagon keng Environmental Summit for Schools, amerapat king Heroes Hall anyang Martes, November 14. Kaugnenay ning National Environmental Awareness Month, ampong Clean Air Month nganing Nobyembre. Inorganisane ning City Environment and Natural Resources Office o CENRO at ning Mother Earth Foundation o MEF ing mesabing aktibidad. Ing Executive Director ning MEF, i Jermaine Halandoni Derunya, California, ing menimuna king seminar dikil king zero waste kareng eskwela. Ang pangkang Mayorville makaluwag dapat mong ituro kareng kayanakang ing karelang agawa, bang a proteksyonan niya ing indong kalikasan at alabanan niya ing climate change. Samantala, mikyabela naman ding estudyante king eco-vlog competition ang pong spoken word poetry competition nung nukarin paksaring environmental awareness kaugnay ning temang sa kalikasan, ipakita mo kung sino ka. Para king eco-vlog competition 2023, first place siya ing Sagin Integrated School, second place ing Information and Communication Technology High School king Sindalan, at third place siya ing St. Vincent of Quebiawan Integrated School. First placer naman king Spoken Word Poetry Competition 2023, Ionina Micaela Adrian ing Information and Communication Technology High School Sindalan. Second place ay Pierre Carl Enriquez, Ibad Pampanga High School, kabang third place siya ay Katrina Alaray ning San Nicolas Integrated School. May katanggap na pong token ang pong cash prize ding menyambot. Kinilala ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP ang 8 institusyon at local government units mula po sa North at Central Luzon sa 2023 Outstanding BSP Stakeholders Appreciation Ceremony. Ginanap ang awarding ceremony sa Clark, Pampanga ngayong Biyernes, November 17. Pinasalamatan ni BSP Deputy Governor Bernadette Romulo Puyat ang kanilang partners para sa di matatawarang suporta sa Central Bank. Binyaya pong 2,000 peso Centennial Commemorative Banknote ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP. Ang timong token kareng tinagon king 2023 Outstanding BSP Stakeholders Appreciation Ceremony king Clark, Pampanga ngayon pong Biyernes, November 17. Base king Certificate of Issuance 300,000 pieces mo ning nisabing legal tender banknote ding pepalwal na ning BSP. Samantala, makaltoking harap na nini ing pamanumpa ng former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada niyang June 30, 1998 king Baraswain Church, akilalang santungan na ning mumunang Demokratikong Republika ning King Asia. Akit mo naman Kenny ing scroll na ning Malolos Constitution at ing seal na ning BSP. King sumangit naman akit ing reenactment na ning pamagpasyag king Philippine Independence. Apeni muna ng former President Fidel Ramos king Aguinaldo Shrine, Kawit, Cavite, inyang June 12, 1998. Magbalik ang Balen at Balita. Makatuto kayo pamurin keng Balen at Balita. Kabalen, malyari yun ang a-enjoy in world-class 5-star hotel experience with a Kapampangan touch. Pagselebra niya kasingeni keng Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort ing Paskong Kapampangan. Tara na't makipamasko tamo kaya ba Pauli Santos.
Metong kanu kareng susulong na ning Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort king Clark, Pampanga ing local integration at promotion na ning kulturang Kapampangan. Bistaman metong yang kilalang 5-star hotel chain king mabilog gayato ing Hilton, nakanu kakalingwan nini ing partina ning komunidad nung no ka rin niya mag-operate. Anya naman king mera pata symbolic Christmas tree lightning king mesabing hotel anyang Webis November 16. Mengi baboy yung kulturang Kapampangan kareng meging presentasyon king programa.
For us, it's like because we really integrate with the community. We wanted to do something different. No speeches from me or anybody else, pero with the children. Lahat po ng mga bata nakita nyo tonight are the children of Duya ni Maria. It's their second year to perform with us. So the whole idea of Christmas naman kasi is about children. So we wanted to highlight that. I hope you enjoyed all the decorations we have, the blue and white and gold, like what you see behind, and also the celebration of Christmas for this year.
Agpangking General Manager na ning Hilton Clark Sun Valley ay Dr. Denise Molintas. Mureng lugal keti Pampanga ring piaglon da ring turista. Nune patiing manyaman na pamangan Kapampangan. Anya naman si siguraduan takanuna, they have the best of what Pampanga can offer. Keng karelang one-stop shop pasalubong center.
So we are partnered with a lot of the local community pasalubongs. Kasi syempre yung mga galing sa Manila, hindi na sila maglalabas. At saka, Kapampangan food is very, very popular.
Bukod king masiri laking manyaman na pamangan, kesa biyanla namang maporma rin Kapampangan. Anya naman metong mo naman kareng susuportahan ng Hilton Clark Sun Valley ngeni ing Kapampangan fashion at deng local designer.
It's the same way, the way we integrate with the community, like when we did the MICECON and we linked Pidayit with the Duya ni Maria. Ang mga damit ng Pidayit, kahit sabihin mong medyo high-end, minodel po ng mga bata ng Duya ni Maria. So we really think it's important that we integrate and we are part of the community. We connect the different parts. And because we have the clients come from Manila and everywhere else, it's important that we also present what is Pampanga. Kasi we're not just a hotel, we're part of the destination. And that is very important to us.
Kaya naman para kareng bisang mag-staycation o mamasyal keng Clark at Mississippi nga Balen keti Pampanga, manenaya ne kanu ing Hilton Clark Sun Valley ke kayo.
The Hilton, we look forward to seeing you over this Christmas and we wish you a Merry Christmas and the best that 2024 has to offer.
Samantala, present naman keng mera pa ta ceremonial Christmas tree lighting king Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort ing President and CEO na ning Clark Development Corporation ay CDC Attorney Agnes VST de Venadera. Antimong pamuntok na ning CDC, masayaya kanoy de Venadera, uling akabisan tamo ing pandemya at pasibayong mibalik ing sigla ning turismo king Clark Freeport.
Well, this is one time, especially after the pandemic, that we have to realize that we have really to be very grateful. We have reached this stage. Some of our friends, some of the members of our family didn't make it this far. So let's give thanks to the Lord and let us remember the people around us. Merry Christmas.
Aking kaya kayong talasuyo ay Pauli Santos, ating pusong makabalen.
Champion niya ang National Housing Authority o NHA Region 3 King Giant Lantern Festival Interfacade Christmas Decoration Competition merapat po King Diosdado Macapagal Government Center. First runner-up naman ang Bureau of Jail Management and Penology o BJMP Region 3. Kapang second runner-up ya ang Overseas Workers Welfare Administration o OWA Region 3. Makatanggap yung 30,000 pesos ang NHA Region 3, 25,000 pesos ang BJMP Region 3 at 20,000 pesos naman po para kang OWA Region 3. Apulo ng regional government agencies ding mekyabe kay may sabing ligligan. Para naman po karang manton na pasyalan ngayong weekend, malyari kayong muntaking magarbong Christmas Village kay Pumabalacat City. Akit ya ini king Barangay Mabiga malapit king Pisamban na ning San Rafael. Kaya be karang malyari yung akit at enjoy king magarbong Christmas Village, then Christmas themed presentation, then food at non-food bazaar, carnival ampong IG-worthy decorations. Libre po ang entrance Kenny at makabuklat kay ni Miyerkules hanggang Domingo, mag-umpisa alas 5 na ninggat panapon. Penimuna ng Mayor Chris Garbo ang pamamuklat king Magarbong Christmas Village na ning Mabalacat anyang milabas sa Biyernes, November 10.
Ini po, yapin po in tradition na in-start na po every Christmas season. Bangkanita po at inoman papasyalan, den kaya katamo pong Balen, den kaya katamong kasyudad, kaluguran na kasyudad. Kaya po mag-enjoy kayo, eta na po dapat lumawot at tsunangan po Kenny.
Mawawala ka rin aktibidad ng Sinukuan Festival Banwa-Banwa, ing ligligan legwan at kabyasnan dareng anak kakapampangan kapamilatanan ng prinsesita ning Sinukuan. Ganing 2023 at sula po king 10 metong ding anak kwalipikadong may kapakyabe menibat kareng mialiwang Balen at syudad ning lalawigan. Agpangkang Dr. Lourdes Javier, ang Vice President ng Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Incorporated at pamuntok ning committee ning prinsesita, kayabe kareng rekisito kareng anak ang biyasa lang manyalita king amanong siswan. Eya kano simpleng beauty pageant ini kareng anak, nune metong yang cultural activity, inya dapat mo na mismong deng kandidata mayakit at mabiyaya karela ang kultura, lakwas ang Kapampangan language. Marapat niya po ang prinsesita ning Sinukuan, king December 6, King Robinson Star Mills, Pampanga, alas 2 ning gatpanapon.
Lawe mo ba dapat renga nakakalupang mo miturulang manyalitang Kapampangan?
Opo, apin po yung kultura tamo at keti ko po mebait. Pagmaragol tamo po yung salitang Kapampangan. Dakal pong salamat.
Magbalik pa po ang Balen at Balita. Makatuto kayo pa rin kay Balen at Balita. Inutos na ning Pampanga Provincial Police Office ing pamagpatupad mas maigpit na security check kareng sablang bus terminal Keti Probinsya. Balak na mo rin kanun ing PNP ay ibalik lareng bus marshals kaya rin ning milyaring pamamaril kareng adwa ka taong makasake bus king Nueva Ecija. Mamalita ay JM De Jesus.
Meg-viral laking social media ang video nung do ko rin mayakit yung karumal-dumal na pamamaril karingadwang pasaheros na ning busking karanglan Nueva Ecija. Bistaman personal na problema at pati ang pamilya yung posibleng sangkan na ning krimen agpangking Philippine National Police o PNP. Era pa mura na adayo rin kaya katamong kabalen o commuters ang mitakutan at migagana ka paring king karelang kaligtasan kaya rin na ning insidente.
Dati nakakapikit ka ko pero ngayon di na. Medyo laging alerto yung mata ko sa tao.
Siyempre, napaka-importante yun, siyempre. Kaya ka nga umuwi kasi gusto mong makauwi sa pamilya mo. Tapos makakabalita ka ng mga ganang pangyayari na walang kalaban-laban. Natutulog ka lang. Oo, kanina nga nakita ko, dun sana ako po sa harapan, nag-flashback sa utak ko, baka mabaril din ako dito.
Pauli na nini, pesik na nga na kanuning PNP, karelang pamagbante, karing transport hubs, kalupan na ni Mabalacat City Bus Terminal Complex, ing metong karing pia kamaragula istasyon na ning basket Pampanga.
Dati po kasi, ang DAO Terminal ay merong K9 dog na yun ang ginagamit pang detect doon sa mga bagay ng mga tao, mga pasahero, ay nawala po yun. Sana po, plano ko po ngayon na ito ay may balik para maging deterrence na rin po, no? Deterrence sa ating mga would-be violator. And at the same time, yung magdadagdag po tayo ng tao, plano ko rin po na mag-purchase na rin ng metal detector na hindi lang visibility ang trabaho ng pulis, tumulong na rin na pag-detect dun sa mga kontraban o mga illegal na mga bagay.
Pag-aralan na naman kanuning PNP pamaglagay bus marshals karing terminal.
Itong kaso na ito is sabi nga kanina namang very alarming on our part at hindi ito yung unang pagkakataon na kinonsider natin na maglagay tayo ng mga bus marshals. Kung matatandaan nyo doon sa Mindanao nung nagsunod-sunod yung insidente doon ay naglagay tayo ng bus marshal.
Samantala, gawa na niya kanong requirement ng Department of Transportation karing public vehicles kalupan na ning bus, ipamaglagay GPS at emergency alarm bang maging mabilis ipamagrespondi karing malyaring krimen kilob dareti. Kaya ba Johnny Coronel, yakoy kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.
Migpanakana yung Department of Health, Central Luzon Center for Health Development o DOH-CL CHD, dikil king istong pamaninum panulong antimicrobial. Apin po ini ang klase na ning panulo, agagamitan antimong kontra king impeksyon, kalupan na ning antibiotic, antiviral, antifungal at antiparasitic. Sinabi na ning DOH-CL CHD Governance Cluster Pharmacist 3, Ileala Buwan, king mega na pa virtual kamustahan ninyang November 13, ang malyaring mika antimicrobial resistance, so AMR, ing maling pamangamit antimicrobial drugs. Puri na pong sabihan, pwede lang mawalang epekto. Ring nga kasanayang panulo kontra impeksyon, lakwas na pauli ning self-medication. Ustung diagnosis king sakit at pamangamit antibiotika alang reseta na ning doktor. Makanyan mo naman ing pamaninum maling dosage at patse malyari ing niresetang pamanulo. Dagdag na pang buwan, maulagang talo kiking medikasyon abasi king sinabi na ning doktor. Istong mepabrening AMR ating pong posibilidad akaras ning panawon, misakitan lang uluan ing sakit. Kalupan na ning pneumonia, tuberculosis, malaria at aliwapang minor infections. Ing mas malala, malyari pong maulini king makamal a pamanulo at grabing sakit at pwedeng magresulta king kamatayan. Inya kayo sana ning DOH king publiku magpokonsulta king eksperto bang agad abalo ing sakit at midinang istu at karapat-dapat a panulo. Sinumpano po ring bayo at re-elected barangay officials king Mabalacat City nganing Biyernes, November 17. Meron pating oath-taking ceremony penimuna ng Mayor Chris Garbo king Clark. Tinago niya naman king aktibidad, Ipampanga Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, akaalyado ng Garbo king local political party, Akambilan. Penabilina na nomang Garbo ring pamuntok dareng barangay, apasikanan ng karelang pamagserbisyo kareng memalena. Kabang pasibayan na namang pega na kang Pineda kareng barangay officials, aera lalako ing kababanlob, bang lakwas makasaw kareng memaryo. Sinigurado na namang Pineda makasadyayang mamye serbisyo ing provincial government kareng 27 barangay na ning Mabalacat.
Always being humble po, ikaw pong electrification. Ikaw po na-elect para sa serbisyo. Aniway ikaw po ipagserbisyo at rin na barangay namin. And at ko rin po ngayon, to give the 100% support na po ni as the governor and nanay, all the sangguniang panlalawigan, karing hanggang programa, proyekto na kailangan na po ng barangay. Pagsilbihan lang, bigyan kayo pong kabarangay. At karoon pa na po ikaw naman sinabi na pong governor, na nung mga nilang katuwag tayo ating probinsya. Imo naman pong local government unit in Kayanakang mother unit, which is the city of Balita, in LGU, yung katuwag. Para po kaya progreso ng isyudad namin.
Apen rin ning balitang kinalap na ning kakatamong news team. King lagyo na po ning mabilog a CLTV 36 News and Current Affairs. Ako po kaya kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Salenga, ating pusong makabalen.